Short story. My son's love.
Dad, can I ask you a question?
Okay, what is it?
Dad, how much money do you make an hour of work?
It's none of your business. Why are you asking me that?
I just want to know how much you make an hour. Tell me, Dad.
If you need to know. I make $20 an hour.
Is that so, Dad? Can I borrow $10 from you?
The father was angry.
If you borrow money from me just to buy stupid toys or something useless, go straight to your room, go to bed and think about how you can be so selfish. I've been working hard all day. I don't have time for childish things like this.
The boy quietly went to his room and closed the door. The man sat down and got even more angry when he thought about what his son had just asked.
Why would he ask me such questions just to ask for money?
About an hour later, when he had calmed down, he thought maybe he was being a little harsh with his son.
Maybe he really needs $10 to buy something, and he doesn't really ask for money.
The father walked to his son's room and opened the door.
Did you sleep, son?
No, Dad, I'm still awake.
I think maybe I was too strict with you earlier. It's been a long day and I took my frustration out on you. Here, the $10 you asked for,
said the father. The boy sat up, smiled, and exclaimed,
Yeah, thank you, Dad.
Then he reached under his pillow and pulled out some coins. Seeing the boy's money, the man started to get angry again. The boy slowly counted the coins one by one and looked up at his father.
Why do you have money and ask me for more?
Said the father angrily.
Because I don't have enough, but now it's enough. Dad, now I have $20. Can I buy an hour from you? Tomorrow Daddy come home early, I beg you. I want to have dinner with you,
said the boy. The father was dumbfounded. He wrapped his arms around his little son and begged for forgiveness.
I'm sorry. I didn't care about your feelings. I don't know what you want. I only think about myself. Starting tomorrow, I'll spend time with you.
The boy hugs his father and smiles happily.
Thanks, Daddy.
Family is the best gift that God has given to each person, so that we know that even if the whole world turns its back, family will always be with us until we die, no matter what mistakes we make, how wrong. So don't lose your family because of selfishness.